Welcome to this new lesson where we're gonna learn how to host our website online, and by that I mean we have to understand the steps to get our website online. We should get a hosting and domain and then design our website through WordPress through that course, and we're gonna test it and make it faster and enhance its performance and SEO ranking. So briefly, getting hosting means like you need to get your website hosted through a service presented by some websites like Bluehost and HostGator and many other websites. Best of them is Bluehost for their faster services applied by them and their customer service for their clients. When we buy our hosting plan, we get to choose our domain name, which is our website name. And also Bluehost is offering us a free domain name to get. We don't have to pay for that. Then we will install WordPress on our website. Then we're gonna install a theme for that suits us and looks great. Then we're gonna design our website pages and products and our store if we wanna sell goods or products through our website. Then we're gonna test it and enhance its performance and SEO rank. Okay, starting by our online hosting, let's go to Bluehost. I'm gonna leave you the link to their website in the resources section. This is how it looks, the website, and we're gonna press on get started now. You're gonna see three plans: basic, plus, and prime plan. Not much difference in here, and the plus and prime are almost the same price. So if you're gonna go for the prime one, and we're gonna learn how to pick the lowest price later after we choose a plan. If you're gonna make a simple website, go for the basic, don't pay much. Not a big website, not a company website for multiple emails and multiple data, go for the basic. For the prime, you get one domain privacy, one spam expert, site backup pro within your website. You can get those through plugins later. It's nice plan, actually it's not bad one, but like if you are tight on budget, go ahead, pick the plus or basic plan. And as you can see, for the basic, it's limited in website space, and the market domains are only 5, and you have subdomains 25, and email accounts only 5 email accounts, and email storage 100 megabytes per account. It's not big limitations if you're not gonna make a website for a company or a big company or a big website. So I'm gonna go with the prime for me because like it's gonna be quite a big website. And here you get to choose your domain name, basically your brand name or your company name or the desired name you wanna call your website. And expect not to find your desired name easily because like most people already reserved and bought the common names unless your website name is so unique and so unusual. And you get to choose .com or .net or any other extension, but .com is the most famous one and most expensive if you're gonna buy domain later. After you get that domain, you're not gonna pay for that, but you're gonna pay later for other domains. Okay, actually the domain name I chose is not available because someone else bought it, so you can go ahead, show more suggestions, or you can try another name and eventually you will find name suits you. Then we're gonna try that one and press next. Okay, it's accepted, no one bought that one, luckily for good. Now you can create your account, either sign with Google or start filling your information, your first name, last name, business name, country and address. These common data you have to fill almost in every website, and your zip code, phone number and email address. Then here we have an important part: package information and also the payment information. You're gonna insert your payment information here, your Visa card. Let's go back to package information. Now this price is for the 36 months. So buying the longest time for hosting gives you the lowest price. As you can see, for the 60 months you get low price as the 36, but for the 24 and 12 months are the highest price. Of course, you can go try the 12 months if you are experimenting with a new business, or you know this occasional website for an event or conference or something that's not permanent. So it's according to your website. We have search engine Jumpstart. You can choose that. It's not that important. You can not choose that. Site lock is a seal you get on your website as a trust seal. It's not important as well. The most important one of those is that one, Komodo Positive SSL bundle. This one is the SSL certificate for your online store. If you're gonna make an online store, go ahead buy that. If you're not gonna sell anything on your website, you don't have to buy that either. If you are tight on budget, this is like giving your website secure HTTPS, as you can see in here. And the site lock trust seal gives you a seal in here or even in anywhere you would like. It's not that important. I'm gonna buy everything because my client wants that on his website. But if you are tight on budget, you can get rid of search engine jumpstart and site lock security and keep the SSL if you're gonna sell or use your website for private information or for more security. The most important one of those is SSL bundle or your SSL certificate. You can go ahead, create your account or sign in with Google if you don't want to fill those data and they are already registered with Google. I'm gonna do that for me in here. Then you're gonna go to payment information and go ahead, fill your credit card number, and you're gonna then check that box for privacy and terms of service for Bluehost. Then you're gonna fill your payment information and submit. Congratulations, you're gonna get that screen offering you more special offers. And now we're gonna go no thanks to complete our sign up process. So you will see that you are sign up in process screen and your order is not yet complete. In order to complete your order, you have to open that chat through that link in here. When you press that, you're gonna get directed to a chat with Bluehost, and that chat actually is to verify your identity and your Visa card and your ID. So we're gonna open that link, open new tab for opening a chat room with Bluehost customer service. Now you get that screen. You're gonna enter your name in here, Khalil Ibrahim. This one you're gonna leave it that way, malware security, and you're gonna enter your domain name, the one you just purchased. Let's ask them for activating our account. For example, I want to activate my purchased domain. Then press on continue, and you're gonna get a blue screen giving you the chat will start within 5 minutes or 10 or even 15 minutes according to their working time, and also if they have pressure from other customers. So when you get to customer service, someone will chat to you and ask you for your ID, national ID photo or passport, and also for your Visa card that you use to purchase your domain, the front and the back. But you're not gonna send a picture full of your details of the Visa card. You have to hide the most important information for security reason. So you're not gonna send, you're gonna shadow most of your Visa numbers except the last 4 digits on the right. And also at the back you have the CCV. You're gonna hide that one with the Photoshop or any other tool you're using for pictures. And for your ID or your passport, you can hide the critical information about you, but you have to make your address clear and your name and maybe your date of birth to make sure that you are the owner of the Visa card. They do that for security reason, because to make sure it's not a fraud or anything like that. They might also ask you for your address with a bill or something like that, but if your ID contains your address and it's clear, they're gonna pass that and be okay with that. The most important documents they are asking for is your ID and your Visa card copy. Okay, of course you're gonna send that to an email called verify@bluehost. I'm gonna put that in the resources as well, and you're gonna find it there. And once you send them those data, you're gonna verify your account and you're gonna get your account verified. It might take few hours, 5 hours, 7 hours, might take even a day. That's fine. This is only a step you have to go through at the beginning. Okay, after that you're gonna get that screen, who is verification, and it's telling you that your contact informations are verified. And you're gonna get 2 emails from Bluehost as well. The first email is to verify your email through that button. Go ahead and press that button. And also you get a detailed receipt from Bluehost. You might be using that later for your tax or for your client if you're making your website for client or anything, or even for yourself for as a reference. And we have that email as well where you can start your account as a Bluehost account, and you're gonna get that screen to login. You can get that from Bluehost website as well. You don't have to get that from the email. You're gonna insert your domain name and the password, and you're gonna get to that screen which is called cPanel. And it's not only exclusive to Bluehost. That cPanel is common in the other hosting websites. And don't get overwhelmed by those icons or get worried about them. Don't worry, it's so easy to understand what they are for. And the most important one is install our WordPress, which we're gonna control our website from. But that's gonna be in our next lesson. Hope you enjoyed that one. That was Khalil Ibrahim with you. Have a great day and see you in next lesson. Bye.